Alright, so this is 3 unknowns. So first thing I need to do is, not have the eraser, is to have a pen, and I might wear red. And we need to label our equations in the same way we did. 1, 2, 3. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to get rid of all of one type. So we want to try and eliminate all the x's to start with, maybe. And so we just have equations with y's and z's in them. Alright? So in order to do that, I'm going to be able to, so I might use the first two equations there, 1 and 2, to try and eliminate the x's, and that's going to be okay because I've got equation 1. I can do so equation 4 now that I'm going to make is going to be equation 1 times 2. So everything in there. And so I'm going to get 2x minus 4y plus 2z equals 0. And now if I line that up with the other one, 2x plus 2y plus 3z equals 7, which was equation 2. God, that's a bit ugly. Then I'm going to be able to eliminate the x's now. So which one should I do? I've got equation 4 and I've got equation 2. I could do, maybe I'll do 2 take away 4. Okay, so you can see I get eliminated, and then I get 2y take away minus 4y, going to give me 6y, right? And then 3z take away 2z is going to give me 1z, and then 7 take away 0 is 7. So I've got one equation there now, and I'm going to use another combination of these guys to try and eliminate x again. So I might even use 1 and 3 this time. All right. So I'm going to use 1 and 3. So equation 1, I'm going to times it by 3, and so I get 3x minus 6y plus 3z equals 0, and that's going to make it equation, I'm up to equation 5, is that right? Okay. Actually, this one should have been 5. This one, I'll make it 6. Let's make it 6. Alright. And then I'll put it next to the other one, minus 3x plus 8y plus 2z equals minus 7, and that was equation 3. And to eliminate the x's, what am I going to have to do? What's that? Good question. Because I times number 1 by 3. 3 2s is 6. Oh, yeah, so this one, that's an 8. That's an 8, because I got it from here. Yep. So I'm just going to add those together. 6 plus 3, this equation 6 and 3. So when I add the x's together, they eliminate. Add those together. 2y, 5z equals minus 7. So I've got this equation here, which is 5. And I've got this one here, which is a 7. That's the label that I'm up to. And so you can see now I've got a situation where I've got, I'm just going to put this one over here. So I've got 6y plus z equals 7. I've got two equations now, 2 unknowns. So I can use the elimination method to find out what one of those is, the stuff that we've been doing. So that's equation 5. So now what could I do? I could just times equation 7, so I get the same amount of y, so I could just times that by 3, and I get 6y plus 15z equals minus 21. That's going to be equation 8. Now I might do equation 8 take away equation 5. 6y take away 6y gives me 0. I get 14z is equal to minus 21 take away 7 is going to be what? Minus 28. That's right, minus 28. So Z is going to be minus 2. Now I can substitute that back into one of these other guys. I'm going to sub it into 5 in equation 5 so that I get 6y plus minus 2 equals 7. So I'm going to plus 2 to both sides. I get 9. 6y is 9. So y is 9 on 6, which is 1.5. So I've got z and y. To find x, I'll just go over here. Sub z equals minus 2 and y equals 1.5 in, let's go back to our original equations and see which one's the best one. Which one's going to be the best one? Don't know. What am I trying to find? X?
Number 1.
Yep, so number 1's going to be the go. So in equation 1, which is x minus 2y plus z. So I've got x minus 2 times whatever y is, 1.5, plus minus 2, which is the z there, equals 0. I've got x, 2 times 1.5 is 3, minus 2 equals 0. So x, add 2, add 3, it's going to be 5. So my final solution is, therefore, x equals 5, y equals, was it 1.5? Z is equal to minus 2.